Welcome back to another episode. We got the Civic and we want to recharge the AC, make it a little bit colder. I've noticed when I run AC and it's very hot, it's not really like cold like it used to. So we're gonna recharge it. So I turn on the AC, recirculate AC max. I feel it's cold, but it's not as cold like it could be. Like, it should be much colder than this. But there is an easy way to do this, to fix this. And I'm gonna show you how to recharge it. So let's pop the hood. We're gonna be using this Refrigerant R134A. That's more than enough to top it off, refill the AC on this little car. Keep the engine running. The high port and low. We're gonna connect to one of these to recharge the AC. Make sure the engine is running, AC is on, and this is supposed to feel cold. The cap on the low. To have a gauge like this, and when you buy the can, it could come with it. Sometimes not, but this is the gauge. You screw the can in. Make sure it's closed like that. Yep, make sure it's closed. So this one is screwed in and this one is closed right now. And we're gonna connect this gauge to the low side. Okay. It's connected, it clipped in, and look, hold on a second. And you have to look at this gauge.
That's what you want it to be?
You want it to be right between where the arrow, where the little arrow showing you, see? And we are a little bit low. So what we're gonna do, shake the can a little bit. And now what we have to do, open the valve. So when you open the valve, hold the can upside down. So the arrow is supposed to be stuck in between there.
You shake it around, it's gonna move around a little bit?
Yeah, shake it around so the coolant moving around. And also you can feel this if it's getting colder. And the can is getting cold. As you see, it's already going up a little bit. Don't overfill it though. Make sure it's in the green zone. I hear the fan going on. Okay, let's see where we are now. So the arrow went up a little bit from here to here. A little bit more.
Okay. A little more.
As long as it's in the middle of the green zone, the green arrow is in between, we're good. You don't want to go to red.
I think we're on the spot, maybe?
I think it's on the spot. Okay, the fan is kicking in. Close it now. Close the valve. Close the valve. So you gotta pay attention to this arrow. Okay, you see the arrow is like right here, and it was all the way in the bottom, like by the blue. So we added quite a bit, maybe half a can. Now let's just disconnect it here. Put a little cap. And it should be it. Oh yeah, it feels much colder. This pipe feels colder. Let's go on the inside of the vehicle. So this can was used before. This was just a leftover. We used about half a can just to like top it off. And that's enough. And let me show you where the sticker is so you know you're buying the right refrigerant. Sticker here, air conditioning and system. It will tell you about what type of refrigerant. You see, 134A type refrigerant, which is this one. Okay, so let's try the AC, how much colder it is. Oh yeah, big difference. Half a can. We top it off, it feels so much nicer. Let me close the window. blasting it. Oh yeah, feels much nicer. So when you do this, make sure the car is running, AC is blasting, and then that's how you top it off. Very easy. As long as you do not overfill, you know, you don't want problems. Feels nice.
Oh, this is so much better.
Immediately. So yeah, make sure this low pressure end is closed, and this pipe feels very cold now. Nice. Shake the can a little bit. Make sure the arrow doesn't go too fast to the red zone. So on this gauge, when we connected, it was between the blue and barely touching the green zone. But when we fill it up, it was about in the middle. All it took like 5 minutes or so. That's all it is. Make sure you have this kind of connector.